Samsung Green SSD. Data centers are trying to reduce the amount of power they consume. Excessive power drainage has already reached significant proportions, and the prospect of further power loss per server is a major concern. In considering alternatives for preventing unnecessary power loss, server environments are looking to solid-state drives instead of hard disks as the storage medium of choice. SSD's design alone accounts for much of its added power efficiency. Samsung Green SSD uses only 1.7 watts in active mode for a 70% drop in power consumption and 0.7 watts in idle mode, raising the power efficiency to 83% over a 15 kilo RPM hard disk. When considering the number of input and output per second, IOPS, Samsung Green SSD's IOPS is more than 100 times higher than that of a 15 kilo RPM HDD. Considering the higher IOPS and the pressing need for less power usage, Samsung SSD's IOPS per watt are up to 200 times higher than the number of IOPS per watt processed by a 15 kilo RPM HDD. In web server applications, an SSD-based system, which uses 12 120 gigabyte SSDs, with just one 146 gigabyte fiber channel HDD, will save 35% more in active mode power consumption than an identical HDD-based configuration with 25 72 gigabyte SAS HDDs and one 146 gigabyte fiber channel drive. In idle mode, the number jumps to 47%. Also, in our Spec Web benchmark test, a standard tool that measures web servers' power efficiency, a Samsung Green SSD-based server system provided 327 web page views per watt, while an HDD-based system of similar density provided only 204 page views per watt. This amounts to more than 60%. Aside from power conservation, if the installed server bases around the world were to use Samsung Green SSDs, the cumulative power conservation would reap environmental benefits. The 2 million watt-hour savings per year is equivalent to 8.7 million cars or 5.5 million homes, while reducing undesirable carbon dioxide emissions by 46 million tons. Samsung Semiconductor, the advanced way to reinvent efficiency worldwide.